Put cinnamon in these places and you will never lack money. You will say goodbye to poverty. You will never run out of money. If you want to be rich, if you want to have lots and lots of money, and never to have financial issues again, put cinnamon in these places that I'm about to share with you, and you will say goodbye to poverty forever. Cinnamon is such a powerful spiritual remedy, and people use it. People use cinnamon in their businesses. People use cinnamon to attract whatever they need. But some people don't know how to use cinnamon. So in today's video, I want to share with you the places you are going to put cinnamon, and you will say goodbye to poverty forever. You will never lack money again. You will never go to borrow money. And I'm not talking about jobless people. You can be jobless and still do this and get tons and tons of money. So try it and you will see what is going to happen. I know you are going to see wonders in your life once you do this simple spiritual exercise. Yes. So you are going to attract lots and lots of money. Just put cinnamon in these places. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Golden Bosom channel. My name is Jackie. So if you are seeing me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel so that you never miss any of my videos. In today's video, I want to share with you the places you are going to put cinnamon so you can never lack money again. So you will never run out of money. You will say goodbye to poverty forever. The first place is your purse. Your purse is very important. Very important. Let me show you. This is cinnamon. For those of you who don't know cinnamon, this is cinnamon. There is cinnamon rolls, the big one, and there is also the cinnamon that is in blended form. It's just like this, powder form. So this is all cinnamon. You are going to put this cinnamon in these places and you will never lack money. You will never run out of money. Money will always be in your house. So you don't need to complain about having financial problems when you have cinnamon in your house. People have cinnamon and they don't know how to use it. They think it's just a remedy. It's just a spicy. No, it is not. It's also a powerful spiritual remedy you can use to attract money, to attract everything you need. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use cinnamon and where you are going to put cinnamon to attract tons and tons of money. So please watch until the end because this has done wonders for so many people. So many people have used cinnamon and it has done miracles. It has done great things. It has helped them to attract whatever they need. So the first thing, like I said, is having cinnamon into your wallet. Your wallet is very important because this is something you carry every day. This is my wallet. So what you are going to do is to get just 1 or 2 cinnamon sticks and get your wallet, and you say, as I'm putting this cinnamon in my wallet, I'm attracting tons and tons of money. So my wallet will never be empty. My wallet will always have money. As you are putting this cinnamon stick, okay, say my wallet will never be empty. It will always have money in it. Close this wallet carefully and never remove these sticks. If you are trying to remove these sticks, make sure you are washing your wallet or cleaning it and always replace them with the other. If you remove this, replace them, but never remove them. Always have some cinnamon in your wallet. I'm that kind of person who always carry cinnamon in my wallet, cinnamon in my bag, everywhere, because I know it attracts lots of money. There is also bags like this. Some people do have this kind of bags, and what you are going to do is to just open it and get cinnamon powder. This will work with cinnamon powder because it's kind of big, and it doesn't matter. You can also put a cinnamon stick. Put it and let it be there forever. And as you are putting it, do not forget about mentioning that my wallet, my handbag will never run out of money. I will always have money in my wallet, in this wallet. And that is it. And put your wallet back. Whenever you are going out, make sure you have cinnamon in it. Once you go out with money, you will come back with money. I know some people always have tons and tons of money. You go out, you spend that money, and you come back. You can't even remember how you spent that money. It's because you will never have money. So you have to do this special exercise of putting cinnamon in these places. So the second place, you have to put this cinnamon stick so that you can never run out of money, is your window. Put cinnamon stick above your window. Put cinnamon stick above your shelves. Cinnamon is used to attract abundance. Cinnamon is used to attract wealth. Once you put these cinnamon sticks above your window, in your shelves, in case you have a business, you will have tons of customers. People will come to support you like crazy because cinnamon is used to attract customers. Who doesn't know that? And most of the people use cinnamon to attract customers. So you are just going to get 2 cinnamon sticks just like this. Put above your window. So you are putting this cinnamon stick above your window. Say money will always be in this house. This house will never run out of money, and whoever steps inside will bring a blessing. People will come to your house and see blessings and see how your house is blessed because of these cinnamon sticks. Never ignore cinnamon. Cinnamon is such a powerful remedy. Try to use it. The third place you are going to put this cinnamon is your compound. In case you don't have a compound, it's fine. You are going to get the cinnamon powder. In case you don't find a cinnamon powder, make sure you get the cinnamon stick, blend it until it's fine powder, then you can just blow it. For me, I also have the cinnamon powder, okay? And it's like this. Just put a pinch in your palms, stand on your door, and blow the cinnamon. Let me show you how you are going to do it. Just blow it. Just like that. Stand on your door and blow the cinnamon powder and say, I attract blessings into my house. As I'm blowing the cinnamon powder, I'm attracting blessings. That is it. You will see tons and tons of money inside your house. You will see riches. You will never run out of money. The fourth place you are going to put this cinnamon. People will call you to get money. People will call you to send money to you. You will see money. You will be promoted. You will have big businesses. You have cars and houses. Everything that you desire is putting cinnamon under your bed. Is putting cinnamon under your bed, under your pillow. Just get a stick of cinnamon. Put under your bed. Put under your pillow. And as you are dreaming, you are manifesting. As you are sleeping, you are manifesting. Cinnamon is going to attract lots of money. Because let me tell you why you should put cinnamon under your bed. It will send away the bad energy, the bad dreams, and it will just attract money, abundance, and favor to you. Just put a cinnamon stick under your bed. In case you don't have a cinnamon stick, you are going to get cinnamon powder. Put in a plastic, tie it very well, and put under your pillow. Trust me, you will see wonders. You will see things happening. You will see huge miracles in your life. Okay? Try it and you will never regret. The fifth place you are going to put cinnamon is just the bag that are always on your clothes. Put just one stick inside and go to your work. People will bless you with money. You will get tips. Your boss will raise you. They will promote you. They will give you money. Okay, they will increase your salary. So in case you want all this to happen to you, do not sit. Get cinnamon and try it. You will see that things are changing. You will see that things are transforming in your life. Cinnamon is such a powerful, powerful remedy. People use cinnamon. A lot of people use cinnamon to do this. Use cinnamon to attract money, to attract everything they want. But they don't tell it to anyone. They keep it as a secret because cinnamon works like crazy. The sixth place you are going to put cinnamon, and this is very important. Your cream, your oil, your Vaseline, your jelly. It's very important to add cinnamon powder to our cream, cinnamon powder to our jelly, cinnamon powder to our oil. Add cinnamon to your oil. Smear it. Apply on your body and go out. Do not apply on your body and sit in your house. Apply on your body and go out. You see that you are having favor. You see that everyone wants to interact with you because of the favor. Cinnamon attracts favor. You'll be a favored person and no one will ever say no to you. People will give you money. You want to attract rich men. You want to attract rich women in your life. And you're just seated inside your house. Put cinnamon in your oil, apply on your body, and go out. Go on a date. They will never say no to you. Everywhere you go, you'll be shining like this. Just try it and you'll see the miracles of using cinnamon. You'll see the miracles of putting cinnamon in these places, that it's working for you. Because it has worked for so many people. And people have seen wonders. Here we believe that every spiritual thing works perfectly. It has powers, okay? So doing this spiritual exercise by the special grace of God, it's going to help you. It's going to help you manifest everything that you desire in your life. Put cinnamon in your oils, attract and meet your soulmate. Your soulmate will like you. They will never regret meeting you. They will always fall in love with you for the first time, for the first sight. Cinnamon has a very, very beautiful scent. When you smell it, no one will ever say no to you. Yes, that is why you should put cinnamon in your cream, in your oil, anything that you put on your body. The seventh place you have to put cinnamon is your palms. Your palms are very, very important. You are just going to grab cinnamon powder, okay? And get olive oil. Put olive oil in your palms a little bit and put cinnamon powder in your palms. Add just like this and go out. Whoever touches you, they will see something different about you. In case you are applying for something, you are requesting for something, you want huge things to happen to you, put a little bit of cinnamon and put olive oil, rub in your palms. You will see the power, the magic of using cinnamon. That cinnamon does not lie. It does wonders. It does miracles. Okay? Yes. People will favor you. They will never say no to you. They will give you everything you want, everything you desire. You won't need to ask. Do this and see. So guys, that is it for today. If you feel this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the Golden Bosom channel. See you in my next video. Bye.